Hi there, Mark Carlson here. So this week's video, what is energy healing and can it benefit you? Well, we've got to remember that everything in life is vibrational. Everything carries a vibration, including ourselves. So a healing system is essentially learning how to channel a higher vibrational flow of energy into the body. And what we know is that the inside vibration creates the outside world. So if the inside vibration is higher, the outside world gets better. It's as simple as that. So as I improve my reality, as I improve my life, what is happening on the inside world, if I were able to see the vibration, is that my vibration is closer to love. So if things are working in my life, if I'm happy, if all of the things that would bring me into wholeness are in alignment, then we'd see that there's a more loving vibration inside. And then the outside world follows that. It's simply a mirror of the inside world. And we can see clearly what needs healing on the inside by looking at what doesn't show up particularly well on the outside, because everything is a reflection. So if I look at the outside and see which areas of my life are not working and recognize that's a reflection of my inner world, then I have a great opportunity to see what needs healing. Now, what's great about healing systems is that you don't actually need to know what that is, because if you start regularly putting a higher vibration of love into your body, then because that energy that you're channeling into your system is infinitely intelligent, it knows what needs healing. Now, it's a process. It doesn't happen overnight, but it's simple to do. You simply put your hands on your body. Once you know how to channel the light into your system, you put your hands on your body in a certain way, in certain positions, and everything starts to get better, because the outside world is reflecting the inside world. And as we raise the vibration of the inside world, what happens in the outside world is that it gets better. Now, because the light is infinitely intelligent and knows where to go, we don't have to worry about that. All we need to do is to make sure that every single day we put our hands on ourselves. My particular system is called MTHS, the Awakening Healing System. But there are many. Reiki is the most common one. And you've got to discover which one you have an affinity with, because they're all great as long as you're putting love into the system. What I do recommend is that you find a healing system that has a structure after the workshop, so that you know exactly what to do every single day. That's very important. But as long as you learn to put your hands on yourself in a particular way and allow this energy to flow every day, then life has no other option than to get better. And it's easy to do. So there you have a little bit of information on energy healing systems. If you'd like to know more about my energy healing system, you can click the link below this video. And have an absolutely fantastic day today when you watch this, and I look forward to talking to you again next time. Thank you so much.